Per the regulation of Ghana Football Association, Ghanaian Premier League club, it default far. Let's just say we are out of African competition. The years ahead, Canelo na Ghana, some slot to do. But I say Ghana and Premier League no because a cough from kakra no yate slot no so ma slot na be two. Say the Georgia League and Georgia FA Cup. Omo na was our kwanya na omutimi qualify. African competition, the Champions League and the Confederation Cup, respectively. Na Ghana League I born on ya Kotoko di fourth no, it means all out, but there is a possibility for Kumasi Asante Kotoko on a condition, yes, on a condition. And on a Super 24 TV, means I come bro on this channel. Patch or unsubscribe there, wadarama. No one hit the rest subscribe button. Na what press notification information ba bema wallet na the ohubiano wohunu the eko ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko, especially Kumasi Asante Kotoko on 7 of Super 24 TV. Kumasi ne want the interest of Kumasi is at heart. The tieni liga e boy yenyina enim say Mediama energy Mediama Champions League of Veniagro. Can confirm the medium about Champions League. The Confederation Cup, Georgia FA Cup, which is Dreams FC, as of now, it is not confirmed. Say Dreams Ebebo, Dreams are ready for African football. Dreams the owner of Bono crown or in Shadanya baby a pass the African standard, but and a 7 a day. Now there is conversation going on between Dr. Kwamichi and a Ketokreku. Na komono the eba ne say sir Dr. Kwamichi any extension and the board chairman of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ketokreku the club president of Dreams FC or the slot no ebema Kumasi Asante Kotoko or the fourth na Kotoko represent Africa and as I represent Ghana or the Confederation Cup ebeba so enche kra ebe shasi. This is information and you now I thought that I should vlog this one to you now. Super 24 TV subscribers ne or I'll hear me biano ube se sad actually Kotoko APM as African Confederation Cup Kotoko ne represent Ghana and Manenyo Ghana was here the Timba Koko Champions League and media my confirm na Kumasi Asante Kotoko na Confederation Cup Kumasi Asante Kotoko and likely to place Dreams FC, say Dreams MC. A babonti officially kaso munti kwa de ewo no me pacho medubesia achia bebre na unsubscribe ya wadaroma no hit the rest subscribe button me da wasi bebre me ko